Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we do not really have a lot of additional info here in addition to yesterday's video. However, we see a nice green candle. Now we see a little bit of volume, we see a green candle to the upside, but nothing that really would already make me say the low is in. However, yeah, I mean, we've got some early indications. We broke above the previous wave 4 high here on the ETH chart. 1765 was broken. And the next task for the bulls would be to obviously bring this up further and to break above 1825. Now, I'm going to put a count on the chart now. I don't believe it. It's more for informational purposes, yeah. So what would need to happen to make this an impulse? So first of all, we could say this was a wave 1. This was a wave 2. But now it would be in a third wave rally, and it needs to deliver on that to indicate a breakout. So I'm going to change the color here. What would need to happen? Well, I need to see first of all 5 waves in general. Yeah, I only have I don't even have 3 complete. Well, I do sort of. You know, you can always say this is a 3-wave move, but if it's an impulse, the third wave doesn't seem to have 5 waves either. So I want it to reach the 1.618 extension in the third wave, because this is the most reliable signal as early as you can get it. Yeah, the third wave would need to reach 1817. That's what I would want to see. Then the fourth wave needs to be shallow, avoid an overlap with wave 1. This high is at 1758, and then rally in a fifth wave. Textbook target here would be 1859. As you can see, we're really only halfway there. So all I do here is point out a potential, the possibility that this could be an impulse, because we had a corrective pattern down complete. So that means we need to be watching for a reversal. However, this can always extend out as some kind of a more extended correction, right? I mean, for example, what could happen, I'll just give you an idea. All of this move down, yeah, which I have labeled as a ABC, yeah, that could have just been an A wave, a large A wave. We could now be rallying in 3 waves, in a B wave, and could then still come down in C. So again, as long as we don't get 5 waves up complete, I cannot confirm that we are here on our way to the upside and that a low has been made here in a wave 2 correction. So basically not really much change since yesterday. Volume is going up a little bit, but I don't really like to look at volume too much. By the way, I'm going to hide it on this chart. There are successful volume traders, you know, absolutely. 1 second, just need to, where was volume here? The thing is, in Elliott Waves, especially as a pullback trader, if you trade pullbacks, if you buy in pullback zones, for example, if you wait for the volume, you're most likely not going to get the entry in the pullback zone, because if you wait for volume to buy, the crowd is already there. It's a bit like arriving late to the party. I don't like to do that. I always try to be on time. So that's a bit of that, you know, mentality. If you trade with volume and wait for confirmation, then you just have to accept that you're already sort of there when the crowd has arrived already. You know, that's typically then at some point when the reversal starts again. Just highlighting that. But yeah, we can use volume for additional confirmation, you know, but I personally don't try to find my entries by looking for volume. But yeah, I mean, it's weekend, so we had a bit of sideways action yesterday, made a new low. That was the idea, to get another low in that C wave, right? And now to get that trend reversal to the upside. That would be, by the way, a third wave to the upside, yeah? And I think I gave you a target yesterday for this third wave based on the latest low. I can just repeat that. So for everybody who missed it, so we take the length of the wave 1, go to the low of the wave 2, just roughly here, yeah. And also we're looking for the 1.618 extension. We talk here about $2,100. That might shift a little bit in the next few days, depending on how low we really go in this wave 2 down here. But yeah, what else is there to mention? Not really anything. I mean, I called out the key breakout points. We know the support areas, right? It depends on which scenario is playing out here. Either the 1-2-1-2 setup with a shallow correction, where we could still come down to 1662. And if we hold it, I'm going to count it as a 1-2-1-2. Or all of this is 1 and we're coming down in a very large wave 2. But then we need to hold 1472. They are both possible. They are both likely. As I said in the last few days, I'll only show you anyway likely scenarios. I've already I disregard the countless unlikely scenarios that could play out here. That's the task, and that's my job, to identify the most likely ones for you. But yeah, either way, I mean, at the moment, a bullish outcome is preferred. either above 1662, or if we break below that, it would need an adjustment in the count, but it would still be in line with a higher level assumption that we are in a third wave already. So that's sort of my view at the moment. Bear in mind, today we've got our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC about trading mindset we cover today. Every Sunday we cover an educational topic, or at least we try to. And today it's all going to be about trading mindset. I think it's a very important one, a very interesting one. Trading is much more than the chart being up or down. Yeah, mindset plays an important role, so we want to focus much more on that in our membership. If you're interested in that topic, maybe check out the channel membership. You can just test it for a month if you like to. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. And if you like it, then yeah, you have the benefit of joining a community, seeing signals as a gold member, have access to all my TradingView charts and so on, and can watch the educational live streams on a Sunday. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.